go thrift shopping?
What?
Alright.
What?
Hello YouTube world, my name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. They came back. Anyway, unboxing of trucker hats. Vintage snapback. I already did this one on a live, but I'll go over them again and we'll open this one. This came in today. Let's see what we got. I ordered a bunch, so I don't even know. I may not know the price of them right off the bat here. My trusty garage flips box knife. It's so awesome. It really is. It's a big hat lot. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hats. Yeah, I remember this one now. I'll put this one last because I like that last one. Alright. First hat. Otto. If I remember right, they make old hats. It's like the brand of hat, but it has the 3 stripes, and the 3 stripes are worth some money when it comes to some vintage hats too. Made in USA. It says B brand images, but not a K brand. It's named Otto. I was thinking Otto is the one. Maybe I'm not, but the mesh is kind of, I mean, the foam's kind of messed up, but not too bad. It's not stained or anything, so that's pretty cool. Santa Clara Color Service Automotive Paints. I thought that was kind of neat. It has the rainbow there. Santa Clara might be something's looking for, California. Foam looks great. Specs, one size fits all. They said these were out of California, all these hats. T&J Garage, Sunnyvale, California. That's kind of cool. It's going to be kind of hard to stand up, but yeah, the foam's kind of messed up on that one. It's got the number to call in Texas if you want to get a hold of the company that made it. Tells you how old this is. That's not bad. I remember I paid like, I think I paid 35. I think I offered him 35 bucks for this. I don't even know what this is. Out of California, must be a symbol from California. But this is the reason I bought it. Tombstone. The town too tough to die. I couldn't help it. Saw it and I couldn't help it. KC. One size fits all. There's nothing special in there. Just I thought they were all kind of neat. If I remember right, I think they're 30. I think it was 35 bucks. Let's go over what I got today. Now I spent 79 on this one, and there's 7 hats here, so 12 bucks a hat. Napoleon Campbell Soup Company. And this is a K Products. So this is a K Products hat, which is nice. It's K Products because you can, when you list it, you can. It's a good keyword to have, and it's Campbell Soup. So, you know, someone from that area may really want that. This is a Conoco hat that's still pretty good shape for being this old. Made in USA. It's not K brand, K Products, but it's in good shape. I like this one. Freightliner trucks. This is in cherry. As Calvin would say, crisp. You know, it's been worn a little bit, but not that bad. Tom Kim Incorporated. Made in USA, out of Washington. Woodinville, Washington. But it's cool. I'm probably going to keep this one. Freightliner trucks, because I like the patch, because it's that silver. It looks like reflective almost. This one I figure I can get some decent money for. An old Notre Dame hat. It's a trucker. It's got some piece of plastic. Does anybody know what that is? Like a chunk of plastic right there? I don't know. Keep people from stealing it way back in the day? I don't know. Park Avenue. American made out of Tennessee. It's all good shape in there. Brim's good. Should get decent money on that one. this one I thought was sweet, and this is kind of the reason second reason I bought it. It'll clean it up, and that gold will come out even better. It's just got a little bit of sweat stain there. It's all in good shape. America's Legend, made in USA. So it's not a K brand, K products, but it's the old school symbol with the straight leg, the old school hat, the tall brim. I mean, the short brim and the tall hat. So that should go for some decent money just because it's a patch. John Deere. And this is the one I really wanted. I was a big NASA fan when I was a kid. I thought getting in the space shuttle was really cool. I loved that movie when I was a kid, Space Camp. And it's got I think it's the golden scrambled eggs, is what they call it, scrambled eggs. And like the little leaflet stuff. And that's a cool patch. And this is made in USA. No, it doesn't really say. But I'm sure it's probably made by NASA. And there's a NASA pin right there, which I thought was really super sweet. But all that for $80, free shipping, so 80 all in, and I should get plenty of money back on that one, and get to keep one or two maybe even. But little vintage snapback trucker hat collection to see if I can sell some of these on Grailed or Depop, or I don't know. We'll see what happens. But grind on, friends.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.